हाय हेलो आप सब लोगों को नमस्कार दोस्तों। आप सब लोगों को हाय हेलो जॉब यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हम आरआरबी एनटीपीसी के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। इम्पोर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस फॉर आरआरबी एनटीपीसी 2025। Medini Rai of Chanderi, Hasan Khan of Mitwat and Muhammad Lodi joined Rana Sanga with their forces to fight against which of the following Mughal ruler? Correct answer is option number A, Babar. Next question. Which article provides that all minorities have the right to establish and administrate education institution of their choice? Correct answer is option number D, Article 30. Minorities का बात किया गया है Article 30. The Environment Protection Act 1986 empowers the dash to establish authorities charged with the mandate of preventing environmental pollution in all its forms. Correct answer is option number B, central government. Next question. Match the term column A with the respect to properties in column B. Glucose intermediates and sustains its breakdown of glucose. Yeast glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. Glucosis uses nutrients from fermentation process. Glucosis beats best organic substrate for respiration. Correct answer is option number B. Why is six membered cyclic structure of glucose called a Pernod's structure? Correct answer is option number B. Pyran is a cyclic organic compound with one oxygen atom and five carbon atoms in the ring. In which year did the split of India Congress occur? Correct answer is option number D, 1907. 1907. Bahruddin Tabji served as the president of which Indian National Congress in which year? Correct answer is option number A, 1887. Indian National Congress was founded in December in which year? Correct answer is option number C, 1885. Who was the president of Indian National Congress in 1915 session? Correct answer is option number A, Satyendra Prasanna Sinha. In 1925 session of Indian National Congress was held in which city? Correct answer is option number A, Kanpur. How many how many delegates attended the second session in Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option number A, 434. The Indian National Congress demanded complete independence in 1929 under the presidency of. Correct answer is option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru. George will become the president of Indian National Congress in 1888 at which session? Correct answer is option number B, Allahabad. In which year did the Karachi session of Indian National Congress pass a resolution about the future constitution of India? Correct answer is option number B, 1931. Who was elected as the president of Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939? Correct answer is option number B, Subhash Chandra Bose. दोस्तों इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों. Who presides over the special Congress session in September 1923, becoming the youngest president at the age of 35? Correct answer is option number D, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when India gained independence in 1947? Correct answer is option number D, J.P. Kripalini. ये प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में पूछा गया है दोस्तों. यहाँ पर देखिए आप, प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में पूछा गया है. Which national anthem Jana Gana Mana was first sung at which Congress session? Correct answer is option number A, Kolkata. The Molp Revolution of 1921 occurred in which present-day India state? Correct answer is option number C, Kerala. Who founded All Indian Forward Bloc in 1939 after resigning from Congress leadership? Correct answer is option number D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Where was the first All India Kisan Sabha formed in 1936? Correct answer is option number A, Lucknow. Kisan Sabha first formed in Lucknow. Who first proposed the theory of economic drain of wealth from India to England? Correct answer is option number D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the first Indian to qualify for Indian Civil Services? Correct answer is option number C, Satyendranath Tagore. यहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन करने के लिए यहाँ पर सुभाष चंद्र बोस भी दिया गया है, मगर ये नहीं है. ये करेक्ट आंसर इज सत्येंद्रनाथ टैगोर, यूपीएससी. The Hindu Mahasabha was first founded in which year? Correct answer is option number B, 1915. Who authored the novel Anand Math, from which Vande Mataram is taken? Correct answer is option number D, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who said English education has enslaved us? Correct answer is option number B, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. The Molf upswing was led by which leader? Correct answer is option number B, Verekrumat Haji, पुंज अहमद हाजी. आप देख सकते हैं. Who founded the Forward Bloc? Correct answer is option number C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Which reformed of British India was known as Lokanwadi? Correct answer is option number D, Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Who founded the Ascetic Society in 1784 at Calcutta? Correct answer is option number B, William Jonas. Who founded the Society Social Service League in Bombay? Correct answer is option number C, Narayan Malhar Joshi. Who wrote Hindi calligraphy version of original Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option number C, वसंत कृष्णा वैद्य. दोस्तों इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, ये देखिए इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में दिया गया है यहाँ पर. फ्रॉम विच आर्टिकल इज स्ट्रक्चरल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लार्जली डिलीवर्ड? Correct answer is option number B, 1935. When was Constitution of India adopted by Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option number B, 1949. Who moved the objective resolution that later became the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option number C, Jawaharlal Nehru. दोस्तों यहाँ पर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे दोस्तों ये। दोस्तों आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए दोस्तों, मुझे सपोर्ट करिए दोस्तों। एंड आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए एंड कमेंट कर दीजिए। आप किस टॉपिक के बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस चाहते हैं, मैं वो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा दोस्तों, आप कमेंट कर दीजिए। थैंक यू दोस्तों, मुझे सपोर्ट करते रहिए। अगले वीडियो में अगले नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलते हैं। थैंक यू।